Find a comfortable position on your mat or the floor. You can sit cross-legged or lie flat on your back. Let your arms rest heavily by your sides. If you feel safe and comfortable, gently close your eyes. If you prefer to keep them open, just fix your gaze softly on one spot. Let's start with 2 deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh summer air. And exhale completely through your mouth, letting your shoulders drop. Let's do that one more time. Inhale deep and exhale, letting go of any extra energy from earlier today. Now, imagine you are walking down a quiet path in a beautiful, ancient forest. The sun is filtering through the tall green trees, creating warm patches of light on the ground. You can feel the soft earth beneath your feet with every step you take. You hear the gentle rustling of leaves above you as a soft breeze moves through the woods. As you walk, you notice a small, colorful balloon in your hand. This is your worry balloon. Think about one thing that has been bugging you today, or something you've been stressing about. Imagine putting that thought right inside the balloon. Take a deep breath in, and as you blow it out, imagine blowing that worry balloon right up into the sky. Watch it float higher and higher above the trees until it is just a tiny speck, and then it is completely gone. You don't have to carry it anymore. You continue walking down the path, feeling lighter and more relaxed. Up ahead, the trees begin to open up. You can suddenly hear a new sound in the distance, the soft, rhythmic rolling of ocean waves. You follow the sound and find a safe, cozy cave made of smooth, warm stones. The front of the cave opens up right onto a quiet, private beach. This is your secret sanctuary. No one else knows about it. It belongs entirely to you. Step inside. The air is perfectly calm, and you can hear the waves gently crashing outside. In the center of the cave, there is a soft, comfortable pile of blankets and cushions. Lie down on them in your mind. As you rest here, a glowing, warm blue light appears in the air right above you. As you watch it, the blue light transforms into a beautiful, glowing magic wand. The wand is filled with peaceful, sparkling energy. The magic wand slowly begins to hover above your head, moving down your body to help you completely relax. First, it hovers over the top of your head and your face. You feel all the muscles in your jaw and forehead go soft. Next, the wand drifts down over your neck and shoulders. It melts away any tightness or weight you've been holding there. The sparkling wand moves down your arms, all the way to your fingertips, making your hands feel warm and heavy. It glides down your chest and your stomach, calming your heartbeat. Then, it travels down your legs, wiping away all the tiredness from running around this day. Finally, it hovers over your toes, leaving your entire body completely relaxed, heavy, and still. The magic wand has turned all your tension into peace. Now, listen closely to the ocean outside your cave. We are going to match our breathing to the rhythm of the water. As a wave rolls onto the sand, take a deep breath in. As the wave rolls back out to sea, let your breath out. Inhale as the wave comes in. Exhale as the wave goes out. Keep breathing just like the ocean waves. Breathing in, peace. Breathing out, any remaining stress. As you breathe with the ocean, you look out of the cave entrance and notice the sky above the water is turning into a beautiful, dark twilight. The very first star of the evening appears, shining brighter than anything else in the sky. It is sparkling just for you. In your mind, reach your hand up toward the sky. Imagine gently pulling that bright star down from space, down through the ceiling of your cave, right into your hand. It feels warm, safe, and comforting. Now, imagine placing that bright, glowing star right in the center of your forehead, right between your eyebrows. As the star rests there, you feel a soft glow spread through your mind. This star is a reminder that you are special, you are important, and you are always connected to the giant universe around you. You are a part of something big, beautiful, and peaceful. Hold on to that feeling. You are exactly where you belong. Take a few moments to just rest in your quiet cave. connected to the star and the sea. Slowly, it is time to return from your ocean cave. Take one more deep, gentle beach breath in and let it out. Feel the solid floor underneath you. Bring some small movements back to your body by wiggling your fingers and wiggling your toes. When you are ready, at your own pace, gently open your eyes and bring your attention back to the present moment.